Yep, this is our cat, Spaz. I don't know what he thinks he found, but it's his tail.
Was it you or Kaylee that was telling me he was chasing his tail the other day?
That was me. Marcus and his super senses. What's it, bud?